The HİSAR-O air and missile defense system, developed by Aselsan and Roketsan, has officially completed its qualification tests for mass production. Announced on January 19, 2025, this milestone marks a critical step in integrating the next-generation system into the Turkish Armed Forces inventory. Full-scale production is now set to begin, further strengthening Turkey's national air defense capabilities. The HİSAR-O is a medium-range air defense system designed to counter a wide range of threats, including aircraft, helicopters, drones, cruise missiles, and air-to-ground projectiles. With a 25 km range and the ability to intercept targets at altitudes over 15 km, it uses advanced RF radar and infrared guidance systems. The system's configuration includes a fire control center, radar, 3 missile launchers, an electro-optical system, and a transport and reloading unit. This modular design, combined with 360 degrees engagement capability, ensures flexibility and high operational efficiency. Haluk Gorgan, Secretary of the Turkish Defense Industry, shared the news on social media, emphasizing the system's exceptional precision and long-range performance. The results highlighted not only the technological maturity of the HİSAR-O but also the effectiveness of Turkey's defense manufacturing capabilities. Aselsan, Roketsan, and local subcontractors are central to delivering these competitive defense systems. The HİSAR-O incorporates several advanced technologies, including mid-course guidance via data links, remote control via wireless communications, and compatibility with multiple tactical data links like Link 1, 11B, and 16. These features ensure that the system can be easily integrated with future technologies. Additionally, the system is designed for optimal maintenance and operational readiness through integrated test and simulation systems. The development of the HİSAR-O followed a rigorous process, beginning with design and qualification tests, followed by user acceptance testing and production line qualification. The system's production phases ensure it meets large-scale manufacturing requirements while maintaining quality and adhering to timelines. Batch testing during production ensures consistent performance, and user feedback further refines the system's capabilities. In comparison to other air defense systems such as the American Patriot and the Russian S-400, the HİSAR-O serves as an intermediate solution. While its 25 km range is smaller than the 160 km range of the Patriot or the 400 km range of the S-400, the HİSAR-O offers superior mobility. Integrated on a Mercedes-Benz 6x6 truck chassis, it can be rapidly deployed, making it ideal for tactical operations. This mobility gives it a logistical advantage over the more complex S-400. The transition to mass production of the HİSAR-O demonstrates Turkey's growing ability to develop and manufacture advanced defense technologies independently. By enhancing the strategic capabilities of the Turkish armed forces and reducing reliance on foreign suppliers, the HİSAR-O plays a crucial role in strengthening Turkey's defense autonomy. This milestone also highlights the growing competitiveness of Turkey's defense industry on the global stage. As mass production begins, the HİSAR-O is set to bolster Turkey's air defense capabilities, marking a significant step forward for the nation's military technology. This achievement demonstrates Turkey's rising position in the global defense sector, with the HİSAR-O marking a new chapter in Turkey's defense industry.